Let's make an ombre glitter tumbler. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, y'all always love it when I make a glitter tumbler, so I'm going to make another one. I got the cup at Michael's. It is a sublimation cup, so we don't have to paint it. I just sand it a little bit just to get it a little bit of a nubbiness, and then I wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. I am using Tack It over and over, and no, I don't dilute mine. And I'm going to put it all over my cup. I'm including the bottom. You don't have to, but I like having the entirety of the cup covered. And what you're going to do is, here's the other thing. I never do the very bottom. I use that to stabilize the cup so I can put it down and not get my fingers all yucky. So there's that. And then I do the bottom. I let it dry. I use my heat gun to do it, but you'll see when I say dry, it is going to be tacky, but you'll see when you're doing it, like see my fingers, like I touch it. If it leaves a residue, then it's not ready. It shouldn't leave any tackiness on your fingers. So then I'm going to start. And now we're going to be I use holographic glitter. This glitter is from the Glitter Company. This first one is called Born Pretty. I always put mine on a folded piece of parchment paper because then it has a funnel and then you could do stuff with one hand. Just saying. Just a suggestion. So then I do that. And then the second one I'm using is Enchanted, and I put that in the center. And then the third one is Ice Palace. Again, all from the Glitter Heart Company. And there's that. So then once all of your glitter's on, then you're going to smooth the glitter. You're going to make it lay flat. So I'm just rubbing it, and you see the difference. So then the reason why I do the reason why it's so cool is if you don't want to use epoxy, and you still want to use stickers or vinyl or whatever, this is a really cool way to get a nice smooth finish without having to go through all of those layers of epoxy or whatever. And you're just going to go over the entirety of the cup rubbing it. Now, do you see that little spot? That you could tell when it's not all laying flat. And all I did was just gently but rub over that spot until all of that glitter lays flat. Easy peasy. Look at quit it right now. Look at how pretty. Now, a lot of you have asked, can you do a second coat? So let me show you. Yes, you can do a second coat. I did the same song, second verse. Apply the Tack It over and over, then let it dry. Then I apply my glitter again. And again, I'm doing an ombre, so I kind of like fan the glitter into each other so that it kind of meshes. And then we do the same process, rub so that the glitter lays flat. I'll be honest with you, I kind of liked the way the glitter looked the first time without the second coat, but for you, I did it. But it's still gorgeous. Look at that. Now, for this particular cup, I'm just going to put dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it because, hello, I don't want to take the time to do epoxy and all the things. And there it is. Look at how pretty this is. I did a couple coats of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. You have to let it dry fully. Once it's fully dry, cured for 21 days, you can put it in a dishwasher, but I would never put a double-walled tumbler in the dishwasher. I let it dry for 2 days, and then I'm washing it with my, just hand wash it, and it's ready to go. And are you kidding me? Look at the sparkle and the shine. Oh, I love it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you.